Hello everyone, I'm Rashmi. So as you must be knowing that we are learning Vedic maths these days. So what's today's topic? Okay, so let's see. Okay, so today's topic is multiplying numbers above the base. Last class we did the multiplications by numbers below the base, right? And today we are gonna learn how we can do multiplications above the base. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, so first question is multiply 104 into 106. Okay, we have to solve it. Now how are we gonna do? First of all, the LHS and RHS one. Okay, so LHS and RHS. Okay, so 104. Just write down like this. Okay, 104 and 106, both the numbers. Okay, 104, 106. Okay, like this. Now, we all know that the base is 100, right? 100 is the base, right? Okay, so how many digits, we add to get this number? How many digits are added? Okay, so it's 100 plus 4, right? 100 plus 4 equals to 104. Okay, so write 4 over here. And 100 plus 6 is 106, right? So just 6 more from the base to get this number. Okay, so just write down the extra number. Okay, 100 is the base. Now whatever with the number extra is there. So right now 1066 is added, right? 100 plus 6 is there. So what we're gonna write is 6 over here. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is cross addition. Okay, we're gonna add 104 to 6 and 106 to 4. Now add like this, cross any one you can do, not both, because ultimately you get just the same result, right? If you're gonna do twice also, you'll get the same result, right? So we're gonna do 106 plus 4. What is that? That is 110, sorry, right? 6 plus 4 is 10, so 110, right? So write down over here 110. Okay, now in RHS, what we're gonna do is we're gonna multiply both these numbers. 4 into 6 we're gonna do, and that is 24, right? Okay, so since we have 2 zeros in our base, so this number is perfect, right? 2 digits should be there. Okay, so this number is perfect, 24. So now combine both these to get your answer. So your answer is 11024. That's your answer when you combine both of these numbers. Okay, let's take up another question. Your next question is 1002 into 1007. What are we gonna do? We all know that the base is 1000, right? Okay, that's the base number. Now what we're gonna do with our LHS and RHS? Okay, so as we all know that we have to cross add, right? So first of all, write both the digits. Okay, 1002, 1007. So 2 is added in the base, 7 is added in the base here, right? Okay, so cross addition we have to do any one. Okay, so that should be 1009, right? So do write 1009. Now what we are going to do in our RHS side? Okay, that is 2 into 7. That is 14. Right? So 14, we have 3 zeros, right? So the digits, number of digits should be 3. So since we have 2 digits over here, so what we are going to do, add a 0 before the digits. Okay, so before the number, so that should be 014. Right? Okay, now combine both these numbers and you'll get your answer. So when you multiply 1002 into 1007, you get 109,014, and that's your answer. 1009014. That's the answer. Okay, now go and check. So let's take up another question. Okay, so this is 111 into 188. Okay, so what will be the answer? Okay, now do LHS and RHS and you'll get your answer. Okay, so we all know what's the base. The base is 100, right? the base is 100. Okay, so what we are going to write in our LHS, so that is 111 triple one plus double one. We all know how we did it. And 188 means 88, right? 80 is added to the base to get 188. Okay, now we're gonna cross add. Okay, so what we get, we'll get 111 plus 88 is 199, right? So 199. Okay, now what we're gonna do is 11 into 88. So we can either use our traditional, our method, magic with 11. So that is dot dot over here, and then we're gonna add. So 8 plus 0 is 8. 8 plus 8 is 16, and 8 again plus 1, 9, right? So that is 9, 6 and 8. Okay, so now what's the issue? The issue is the base number is 100, means there are 2 zeros, so the digits should be 2. Now since the digits are 3, so this 9, what we're going to do is add in this one. Okay, will be added over here, and so it will be 208, right? 199 plus 9, 208, right? So now combine these. Okay, so when you multiply 111 into 188, you get 208 and 68. 20868, you get this number. Okay, I hope you don't have any doubts left. Let's take up one last question. Okay, our last question of the day is 117 into 106. Now what's the base? 100 is the base, of course, right? 100 is the base. Now LHS and RHS means 17 is added to the base to get a 117, right? So we're gonna write 117 plus 17, and here 106 plus 6. Very easy one, right? Now cross add. Okay. Okay, so 117 plus 6, so we'll get 123. Nice number. Okay, now our RHS side is 17 into 6, right? 102, right? Clear up till here. Now again the same issue, we have 2 zeros, so there should be just 2 digits, but here are 3 digits, right? So 1 will be added to this number. Okay, it will be added. Will be this number. Okay, this will be 124, right? Okay, now combine both these numbers. So when you multiply 117 into 106, you get 12402. 12402. You get this number. Okay, so I hope I'm clear to you. If there are still any doubts, do let me know in the comment section. Okay, so it's our homework time. Okay, so I'm not gonna give you a lot of questions since it's a very easy one. Okay, this topic is very easy, right? Okay, so I just covered today just this topic because actually I was not well last week, as you know, so I was having viral and that's why I was not well, so I thought to cover a very light topic. Okay, so it won't mess up with the last one, and because I wasn't able to upload the video last week, so the topic we covered last week won't mess up. Okay, so that one was below the base, this one is above the base. Okay, so in next topic we'll cover the mixed base. Okay, so okay, now okay, so your homework is first one, 1011 into 1012. Okay, now second question is 1008 multiplied by 10012. Okay, now last question is 106 multiplied by 109. Okay, so do solve these questions and do let me know in the comment section that do you have any doubts regarding this topic or the last topic, the below the base. Okay, so anyway, you have any doubt, so do let me know in the comment section, and Okay, we'll cover the next topic, the mixed space. Okay, so in the next class, till then, take care and bye. Thank you.